In addition, China has several times allowed anti-Japanese activists to land on the Japanese small islands, which China insists a territorial right to it. We are also suspicious of the Chinese government continued backing of the North Korean government, which has abducted hundreds of Japanese to use for their secret operations in South Korea. Coming back to the topic of Japan's help for Tibetans, we sometimes criticize ourselves as the weakest link in the chain consisting of the Western democratic nations pressuring China to change its Tibetan policy. However, the situation is changing, and I am pleased to say that we will be able to contribute more for the people of East Turkestan. For we have now found the Chinese government to be an opponent or a potential enemy. To conclude, I want to repeat that the Communist Party and the government of China is a common enemy, not only of the ethnic minorities, but also most of the Han people and the foreign people living in the nation near to China, like we Japanese. I declare, as a closing my speech, that the Chinese government and the Communist Party of China, not the Han people, are our common enemy for us to defeat. Again, I congratulate you for the establishment of the East Turkestan government in exile and the enactment of the Constitution. Let's unite firmly to pressure Communist China and rescue the oppressed people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.